Cherie for Just Nailed It. Good morning, everyone. The birds are tweeting. It's time to get up. In store for us today on Hooked on Nails, our nail art collaboration for May, we are doing Disney. I'm doing Disney Princesses, or 3 of. We will be doing Snow White, Belle, and Cinderella. I'm cheating. I'm doing nail stickers. I got these off Amazon. It's either Amazon or AliExpress. I'm not positive of which. So I'll be using these. I did use I can't speak. It's too early in the morning. I'm getting ahead of myself. I have used on 2 nails Charlie's Princess foils, and I think those turned out really beautiful. On top of each color, these are minis by Modelones. This is a neon over white. Well, they're all over white. We have got a yellow and a pink. And then over the 3 colors, I put this beautiful little one here over it. It is a little sparkly job. I don't know if you can see this. This is pretty well empty. But it's really pretty though. So I just lightly put that over the 3 nails. We're going to be doing stickers. There is Snow White. Why does this look weird, like off-centered? The camera. I don't know. We're gonna have us an apple. And there we go for that. For Belle, I was going to use the one of her in the mirror, but I want this one here of her. There we go. There we go. And I need a rose. Gotta have a rose for Belle. Whoops. Whoopsie. There we go. And Cinderella. I was going to use her in the mirror as well, but as you see, I'm not. Oh, shoot. Well. Let's try to put this right side up now. There we go. What do you think? I know this is like so cheating, but I've wanted to use these Disney stickers for quite some time, and this was the perfect opportunity. For foil glue, I used iMethods nail foil glue. I swear by this. Love this product. Top coat, I'm out of my fave, so I've been using Angel Beauties. So we are going to be doing this, putting some bling on the princess nails. And we'll give it a full cure of 60 seconds for each nail. I love me a glossy top coat. Love, love, love. So, adding the some bling, and well, we're going to do this at the top of each princess nail. I'm still recovering from eye surgery, so I'm having when I filmed this a little bit early. So while filming, I'm still having a little bit of a hard time seeing. It's still a little cloudy, blurry, whichever way you want to call it. I call them both. So I am going to pop this in for a flash cure. Not a flash cure. I'm going to do the other two nails. Do the same thing as I did for Snow White. And we'll be back. I am back. The nails are in for their last and final cure. I put the gems on the top of the three ladies. Give the foil nails a top coat. Like I said, they're in for the last and final cure of the day. And we are finito. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, all giveaways, all the important info that you may miss if you don't catch every video. So stay tuned for that. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my final product of my Princess Disney Nails for Hooked on Nails collaboration for the month of May. They should be done out of the lamp in just a second. Here we go. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ta-da! I think these turned out really sweet. I really do. I would wear these in a heartbeat. I really would. Maybe not this shape. I'm not a stiletto kind of girl. I'm a square kind of girl, or a scoval. As you see by my own. I wear mine kind of square. But I think these turned out really sweet. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think they turned out really pretty. I wish I had the link for the stickers, but I don't, because I'm not certain where I bought them. If I remember, I'll check out both places and see if I come up with a link for them, because they are really super cute. I want to say AliExpress, princess stickers, nail art, you know, that type of a search. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe. Down in the comments, the first comment will be pinned, will be a playlist link to everybody's video that took part and made a video. But on Instagram now will be a list of everybody and their pictures that took part. There's far more people that did pictures than videos. So stay tuned for that on Instagram. Just nailed it. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.